Today we're going to be going over how to row in slow motion. Check this out. So there's a lot of mistakes that folks make when it comes to rowing, and we're going to clean that up for you guys so you can be more efficient, more powerful, and get more out of your workouts. Okay, starting with the drive here. Notice there's space between the seat and the heels. The back is flat. We initiate with the legs, the hips, and then finally we pull with the arms. Now the return is the arms. We want to get the handle past the knees, the shoulders come in, then we close the hips, and then the legs come in. But we always will stop ourselves with that little space between the seat and our heels. Obviously reaching a little bit there with the arms. We want to get the handle to the handle holder if you watch that on this next one. The handle will go to the sternum area. We'll release past the knees again. Get the handle back to the handle holder. Stop pushing our feet into the foot pads, keeping that space, driving through those foot pads to get a strong, powerful leg drive, hips, then finish with our arms. And doing and performing rowing this way will get more out of our workouts.